Hello everyone and welcome back to the Amalfi Coast. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are going to visit together one of the most extraordinary properties in the world, Isola Isca, a private island fully restored with a villa, dependance, swimming pool, huge private park and immense underwater caves. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The island is accessed from the beach of Nerano, a beautiful seaside village about 1.5 hours from Naples, 30 minutes from Sorrento, and just over half an hour from Positano. A private boat included with the property brings you to Isca in just 7 minutes. As you approach, the first thing you notice are the spectacular sea caves, 28 meters long and 18 wide, accessible only to expert divers as their entrance lies 15 meters below the surface of the sea. Welcome to Isola Isca. This is the private dock of the island, completely made out of marine-grade stainless steel. The dock is engineered to withstand the power and constant erosion of the sea. Just a few steps above, we find an outdoor shower, ideal to rinse the salt water off after you had a pleasurable swim in the crystal clear waters of the Amalfi Coast. Let's see the island. The restoration was meticulous, yet great care was taken not to alter the delicate natural balance of the island. The newly introduced plants were never irrigated, allowing natural selection to take place, so that only the strongest would survive. There is an irrigation system, but it is mainly used to wash the paths or to assist in the unlikely event of a fire. Energy comes from a cutting-edge 75 kilowatt photovoltaic system supported by a 165 kilowatt lithium battery pack. If needed, there are also stainless steel diesel tanks that hold up to 16,000 liters, enough to power the island for up to 45 days of continuous use. In the early 1800s, the island was used for quail hunting, not as a sport, but as a trade, for the sale of its precious eggs and meat. Before we visit the villa, I would like to tell you what Isola Isca is truly about. In ancient times, it was loved by Romans as a natural garden, thanks to its vegetation and for its unique microclimate. The buildings that you see right behind me in the past were actually large cisterns, which in the centuries were enlarged and converted into private homes. Isola Isca features an impressive natural pathway, winding through over 25,000 square meters of wild landscape, 6,000 of which are made up of rugged rocks that have been eroded and shaped by the power of the water, the wind, and time. Following the pathway, we reach a large outdoor terrace with a pergola on top and a beautiful outdoor stainless steel professional kitchen, as well as a wood-burning pizza oven. This space is overlooking the sea, overlooking Positano and the island of Ligalli, ideal for beautiful events as well as lively dinners under the stars. The swimming pool blends seamlessly with the sea, thanks to its use of local natural materials like stones, and also on the back we have a nice detail on the infinity edge with hand-painted tiles. The swimming pool is filled with sand-filtered seawater, so it really feels like swimming in the ocean. By the swimming pool we have a spacious deck with beautiful sunbeds with the logo of the island on top, an outdoor dining areas, umbrellas, and also this building on my left with a professional outdoor kitchen, but as well staff areas with spacious storages as well as a large professional laundry area. Just outside the main villa is a spacious outdoor lounge area, ideal to enjoy a drink with a sunset. In fact, you also have a view of the famous Ligalli Island on the back. While on this other side, we find sheltered under a canopy, a long wooden table, ideal for pleasurable outdoor dinners overlooking Positano in the distance. We're now on the main square of the island. From here, you can see the two principal buildings, the dependance and the main villa. In the center, under these large wooden panels, we find the hydraulic crane, which is over 16 meters long, and it can lift up over 1 ton on the tip of the crane. It's ideal for moving furniture, supplies, luggage, or even emergency materials, a crucial feature for an island like this. In front of the villa, we have the guest house. On this ground level, there is a spacious, beautifully furnished and full of light suite with its own ensuite bathroom and nice tiles on the floor, all handmade and hand-painted, as well as large wood. On the -1 level, then there is a professional chef's kitchen, completely finished in stainless steel, and on the -2 level there is a large refrigerated food storage. The villa opens with its spectacular kitchen. There is a bar area on this side, finished with brass on the lower part and precious Calacatta gold marble on the top. The rest of the kitchen is very spacious and fully equipped. There is a view on the sea, and as well, everything is finished in stainless steel, making it very easy to clean and durable. Next to the kitchen, we have stairs that go to the lower level, and we find 2 bedrooms. One is designed for staff, and it features an ensuite bathroom. The other one is a spacious suite, beautifully finished. We have unpainted tiles on the floor, sea views, and as well the ensuite bathroom. The main living room is flooded with natural light, offering breathtaking panoramic views on each side thanks to these large rounded windows. The floors are made of larch wood, soft to the touch and pleasant to walk on barefoot, a tribute to the deck of a yacht once owned by one of the island's previous owners. It gives the space a unique charm, part villa, part seaside retreat, perfectly blending elegance and coastal serenity. From the living area, we access to a powder room on this side that serves all of this floor, and then we have 2 of the suites. There are 6 suites in total and 2 rooms that are thought for staff. This is the first suite. As you can see, we have this beautiful hand-painted tile on the floor. They are called maioliche, and they are from the town of Vietri. They are hand-painted and they are dating back to the early 1900s. The bed is at the center. You can see we have tall ceilings. Everything is painted in white, giving even more light and making it perfect for a seaside property. You have, of course, the most outstanding views of the water and the ensuite bathroom over here with shower, while on this part we exit to a private terrace for this suite. Welcome to the second suite, right beside the one we've just seen. As you can see, we are in the corner of the villa, so there are corner views, 2 large windows and the most outstanding views. We can see the Ligalli Islands and we can see Positano on this side. There is the bed at the center, beautiful antiques on the wall, as well as an office corner with TV over here. You will notice that each room has different maioliche. They are unique pieces because they're made by hand. There is the ensuite bathroom on this side with a nice rounded window overlooking the sea, which reminds of the windows from boats. On the lower level, we access to the 3 private suites of the villa. And then in the end, we have multiple terraces on multiple levels overlooking the sea. Let's visit the first one. Definitely one of the most unique bedrooms of the villa. As you can see, there are these rounded vaults. This might have been the cellar of the property. You have both exposed stones, and also these lime, which makes it very charming. On the floor we have another and different type of maioliche, which makes this room really charming. In the end, we have a spacious ensuite bathroom, also there with a rounded ceiling, an office area, and now let's see the bedroom. Next we have a TV room with a couch and a wardrobe on this side, and the windows overlooking the sea. To conclude, there is the bedroom, which is very cozy. It is below this charming arch, with the bed at the center, another wardrobe, and another window overlooking the Galli. The next bedroom is also quite unique. It has a corner view also here, so with 2 windows and lots of natural light. There is this texture from the stones on the wall that make it really fascinating. And as well here, different tiles on the floor and an ensuite bathroom. To conclude, we have the primary suite. It is by far the largest. There are also here hand-painted tiles. There are windows on 2 sides, so it is really flooded with natural light. Wooden beams on the ceiling, which have been painted in white to give this space even more natural light. There is a bespoke piece of furnishing for the wardrobe over there, the bed, and the ensuite bathroom with a large window overlooking the water in the shower. In the end of the hallway, right by the last primary bedroom, we find this terrace with this nice pergola ideal for the summertime and water all around us. It is perfect to have a swim in the morning once you wake up. There are also other 2 terraces on the lower levels, perfect to give privacy to the guests, and the last one has the sea access where you can have a nice swim or a dive. Isola Isca is a place like nowhere else on earth. It is a world of its own, a place where history, nature, and innovation coexist in perfect harmony. A place of light, silence, and pure beauty. I hope you enjoyed touring it just as much as I did. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for the best properties of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!